You know what you do when you're tired after working 10 hours? You go to Dutch Brothers.
If you want some love, just let me know.
How about some sweet B-roll sequence? All right, a little bit of a confession to make. You see that last clip? We were at Dutch Brothers, and then after that, I didn't film anything, did nothing. And so, I was right. Oh, there. And so, this is tomorrow from yesterday. You see, now the biggest problem with me having done that is now that it's a new day, I have to think of new story to tell. And the problem with that is I don't really, I don't have a story to tell today. I'll think of something, and then the next clip you see will be that idea. So, yeah. Still don't have a very good idea for a story today, since it is the 4th of July. Happy holidays, everybody. I hope you're enjoying yourself. I think I'm going to do some barbecuing for the neighborhood here in just a little bit. But there is one thing I can share with you, and that is my new little point and shoot camera. You see that? That is the Canon G7X. I'm pretty excited about it. Let me show you why. You see that? This camera right here is not very practical to take everywhere with you. It's big, it's cumbersome, it does great video, but it is not the most portable. This guy, however, is. This guy can go right in your pocket. That's awesome. This guy takes a pretty good image. Now, it might not be as good as the Canon 80D, but it does a pretty dang good job. That is why I bought this camera. This thing is not cheap. I think it goes for about $5.99, but if you are looking for a camera like this, a pocket camera that takes just as good quality video as this, be sure to check it out. I left a link below of all the different sort of camera gear that I use. With that said, let's go start the barbecue for the neighborhood. Oh boy. You know, maybe on second thought, maybe we will just we'll just end the vlog there today, because that seems like it's gonna require a little bit of my time. And so with that said, I hope everybody has a great 4th. See you in the next video.